there guys, it's Cindy. So here is what's going to happen. I'm going to show you how you get to an assignment and then submit that assignment from Google Classroom. So you need to log in with your Gmail and then go to the little squares here and pick your classroom. See, which is here. So I've already done that. So we've clicked on that. And then your classes will pop up. Really didn't need to click on that again. And then you click on the appropriate class. So here you are in my science class. You'll see the little welcome. And then you go up here to the tab that says classwork. So you're going to click on the tab that says classwork. Now I'm going to show you how to do the practice assignment. This is the practice assignment tab. You will click actually on the assignment. When you see a clipboard, it means it's an assignment you need to do. So you click on the assignment and it says view the assignment, right? So here is our practice assignment. Use the attached document to submit your assignment. So we're going to click on that practice assignment. Then once that practice assignment comes up, you're going to hit on File and Make a Copy. Okay, so we're going to put this up here. So we have a copy of that made. Then you can fill in the answers after you change what it's called. Okay, so here's what it's thinking. Okay, so I'm going to put my name here. Cindy practice assignment. Okay, so now when I get it, when the teacher gets it, she'll know it's me. I'm going to put Cindy Gracie. I'm going to put today's date, which is 3/29/20. Whoops, I made it 39/29. Well, I'm just having a hard time. All right, what's my favorite color? It's either red or purple. Today I'm going to make it purple. All right, now that document is all saved onto my drive because I'm in my drive right here. There's my account. I'm in my drive. So the next thing that I'm going to do is then come back to this assignment. All right, and I'm going to add my assignment right here. So I click, I'm going to get it from my Google Drive. There it is, Cindy Practice. All right, if it's not there in your recents, you can click on your drive and it'll show up there if it's something that you worked on and then you came back. But here it is in my recents, so I'm going to hit add. And there it is. Then I click turn it in. And do you really want to turn in your work? I hit yes, I want to turn in my work. And then there, it says that it's turned in. If I go, ooh, I forgot something, you can get the unsubmit and also then update it, unless your teacher has locked you out from doing that, which is possible. You can watch this video again. You can also download, here is the PDF that shows you how to do it step by step. And it has pictures. Whoops, sorry, it went away there. Let me show you that again. So it shows you step by step, and it gives you pictures if it's easier for you to look at a document and work from that. Here it is. It tells you exactly what you need to do. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great day. Bye.